The brand sent me these markers to try out and my family has absolutely loved these. This is the pack of 60 brush style acrylic markers, and right away when we opened them up, I was so happy about all the different colors. I just love that it comes with such a variety, and the brush tip is great because you don't have to really do anything to get the paint started. They just work right away. You just open and start using them. The paint goes down really smooth and easy. Now, to answer the question on if they can be used on multiple surfaces, the quick answer is yes. Now, don't judge me by my drawing skills here, but we have used these on wood, canvas, metal, glass, and paper so far, and all of them came out really great. They even blend so you can do some shading, and one of my favorite things about them is that they dry really quickly, so it minimizes smearing. One of us is left-handed and sometimes has a tendency to smear things, but these make it a lot easier. In my opinion, these would really be fantastic for everything from making ornaments, painting rocks, just doing art projects, to even things like Easter eggs or painting pumpkins. Another thing I really like about them is they come with number stickers that you can place on the markers to identify which one is which. There's a color chart on the back of the storage box, which that's also a good point, is that it comes with a box to store these markers in where they're nice and organized, and I love that. I really have nothing but good things to say about these. They're one of my favorite art supplies I've ever used, and that's saying a lot because we have a ton of art supplies in our household. They're great quality and are super versatile and can be used on a bunch of different surfaces and projects that you need to do in your life.